Hello, good people. Do you want to see me make these beads using these materials? Okay, let's go. I'm going to be first applying some transfer gel to my African print fabric, and I'm going to apply that gel over this stencil that I have created. This is a stencil that I've cut on my Glowforge, and I do have them available in a stencil pack. I'll put a link in the description for this. But to do this, I have my African print fabric, I have my stencil, I have my Deco Foil Transfer Gel Duo, I have my foil that I'm going to use. And after I do all of that, after I get my design on to my fabric, I'm going to apply the fabric to a piece of wood using this white glue. I'm going to attach the fabric to the wood with this white glue. And after that, I'm going to cut it in my Glowforge and make some beads. So let's go. All right. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to lay my stencil on my fabric, and I'm going to tape it on the edges. So I forgot to mention that I need a little bit of tape. I tape the fabric and the stencil, hopefully so my stencil won't move. Right, I got this little plastic thing from Dollar Tree. It's like a little spatula. I usually use a little piece of credit card or a spatula or something to spread my deco foil. As you can see, I'm at the very end of my deco foil. I hope I can make it. If not, I have another jar. Now that I have covered my fabric and my stencil, I'm going to remove the stencil and allow my gel to dry. So I'm going to have to pull this up. Ooh. The design. Oh, I love it. Love it. This is gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be gorgeous. Okay, so now I need to clean off my stencil. I don't want this gel to stick on it. So I'll clean my stencil off, and I will let my gel dry on my fabric. I put it outside and let it dry in the sun for about 30 minutes, and it's ready now. I'm going to apply my foil now. And even though I have a fresh roll of foil, I decided that I'm gonna reuse some foil that I've already used. You can use this foil until there's no more color on the sheet, until the sheet is completely clear. So you're gonna see me take some previously used foil for this project. Now the gel is sticky, so as soon as you lay your foil down on the gel, it's gonna stick. So try to get it straight. I had mine a little bit wrinkly, but it'll be okay. I have a Heidi Swap Mink machine that I'm going to use, but you don't have to use this. You could use an inexpensive laminating machine, or you could use that thing that we use to heat the t-shirts with. Or you could use a good hot iron. I'm going to be using a piece of parchment paper to carry my fabric through the machine. Okay, it's cooled off, so now it's time for the big reveal. I'm going to take a peek to make sure that it worked. It's really stuck on there. Oh my goodness, look at it. I love it. I love it. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Now, part 2, I'm going to attach my design to a piece of wood, and then we're going to get to cutting some beads. I'm going to spread this white glue on my wood to attach my fabric. I'm going to let my glue dry, and then we get to the design. I'm offering a special on these beads where you get all of these beads for $15 plus shipping. There'll be a link in the description if you want to get these. They are unique. I am using Adinkra symbols, which are from Ghana, and they have each symbol has a different meaning. And in the one that you're looking at now is gosh, I can't pronounce the word, but it means only God, that God is supreme. And each one of the symbols just have so much meaning. And when people recognize the symbols, they really, really appreciate them. So I love including them in my designs. And like I continue to say, they are unique. I love how these turned out. This is a nice unisex bracelet that you can sell that is definitely unique. All right, and you can pick these beads up if you like. There are all kinds of ways that you can mix and match these pieces. You can make a bracelet and earring set. You can make a bracelet set that has lots of uniqueness to it. The Adinkra symbols that you see here, the one at the bottom that looks like a heart, it's really called a Sankofa heart. There is two Sankofas. One is a Sankofa bird, and Sankofa means to go back and fetch it. So it has the bird looking backward, and it means learn from the past. The next symbol is the fern, which is upside down. The smaller end is supposed to be at the top. And the fern means endurance and resilience because the fern is a really hardy plant. The third one from the bottom is the ram's horn, and that means strength. And if you just think of a ram's horn, you can know that that just really means strength. The symbol on the very top is a comb, and the comb is the Adinkra symbol for beauty. So that's why I know that when people recognize this, they really appreciate the meanings. All right, good people. Let me know what you think of this newest creation that I have shared with you. This is Sherry, and I am saying please like, share, leave me a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. You know the drill. This is Sherry, and as always, be blessed.